The source of terror not only remains the same, but terrorists are now using advanced technology, using technical apps to stay a step ahead of investigation agencies.
Not WhatsApp, not Signal, not even Telegram, but Hoop, Threema and Rocket Chats. You probably haven't heard of these apps before, but these are the newer end-to-end encrypted mobile messaging apps that suspected terrorists and overground workers are using to secretly communicate and stay stealthily a step ahead of security forces and investigation agencies. India's National Investigation Agency, or the NIA, probing the Kerala module of the Islamic State, has stumbled upon these new apps during investigations. NIA sources have told India Today that Mohammed Amin, alias Abu Yahya, was using these end-to-end encrypted apps considered extremely secure for communication. These apps are also used to spread radical ideology and rope in new recruits into the Islamic State's terror ranks. NIA sources say Mohammed Amin was using the Hoop and Rocket Chat apps on his mobile phone. In the Hoop app, messages auto-delete on being read, leaving no evidence behind. In Rocket Chat, users do not have to leave either their mobile phone number or email ID for verification. The NIA scanned through the mobile phones of 3 suspected terrorists, Amin, Rais Rashid and Mushab Anwar, arrested earlier this year, and found different apps being used for this sort of secure and secret communication.
It offers you that option where you can just use Threema without putting your number. You don't need to link your phone number and you just need to use it. That's it. That is the kind of privacy that these apps are now offering. And you know, right now that the terror module that has also been busted by Delhi Police's special cell, they're also looking at the probability if at all these terrorists were using these particular apps to continue the cross-border channel directives that they were receiving.
Earlier, the NIA, while probing the Islamic State Iraq and Levant and the Islamic State Khorasan province, while probing the ISIS and ISIS Khorasan module links, found that the accused, Jaib Sami Wani, and his wife, Hina Bashir, were communicating with a Bengaluru-based Dr. Abdul Rahman, alias Dr. Brave, using the Threema app. The app once again is used for encrypted, secure communication, where it is extremely difficult for intelligence agencies initially and investigation agencies subsequently to tap into those communications.
The chats, the text, audio and video communication in these apps are highly secured and encrypted. The encryption keys are not available with the Indian agencies. Even the servers are kept out of India.
Again, in this app, the users do not have to either register or verify their mobile phone numbers or even their email IDs. Pakistan-based terror organizations like the Lashkar-e-Taiba, Jaish-e-Mohammed and affiliated terror groups like the Al-Qaeda and Hizbul Mujahideen are also using peer-to-peer software services for communication, like in the Pulwama terror strikes. With Tanseem Haider in Delhi, Bureau Report, India Today.